carved by the relentless power of the Colorado River. The Grand Canyon is one of Earth's most breathtaking natural wonders. Located in Arizona, this immense valley stretches over 270 miles, revealing nearly 2 billion years of geological history in its layered, red rock walls. The canyon reaches depths of more than a mile, shaped slowly by water, wind, and time itself. Sunlight transforms its cliffs throughout the day, painting the landscape in shades of gold, crimson, and shadow. Today, the Grand Canyon stands as a symbol of nature's patience and power, an awe-inspiring reminder of how time can shape the world into something truly extraordinary.